Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create new workspace in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a workspace in Asana is a straightforward process that can be highly beneficial for a lot of reasons, particularly if you are managing projects, teams, or tasks. Okay? You see, once you are here on the homepage of Asana, there's going to be a create button on the upper left corner. But the thing is, it doesn't have an option for you to create a workspace. It only have like a task, project, message, portfolio, or invite. All right? So don't be fooled by using this plus button. Instead, what I wanted to do, even on this left side, my workspace, this is going to be my workspace. You can only create projects within this section. Instead, I need you to hover to the upper right corner, okay, on the picture icon. I want you to click on the plus button where it says new workspace. Okay, now in this case, I'm going to name it as maybe Andy's Guides. Let's create a new workspace from scratch. So in the member section, all right, I'm gonna add in, let me check if Andy Guide is in here. So if you have multiple members here, or that is already added in your contacts here in Asana, you would be able to add them here. But in my case, I'm just using my test and training accounts. So in this case, I'm going to be adding one of my emails instead. And all I'm going to do is click the create workspace button. Just wait for it to load, because what will happen is that it would create the features and dashboard for you. All right. You can create multiple projects within a workspace, and each project can have tasks, subtasks, and sections to keep everything organized. All right. So we will walk you through in the whole process. Now, you can unlock more features. You're one click away from accessing on one of the most popular paid features with a 30-day trial, no credit card required. Okay, let's try to hit the start my free trial button here to see what will happen. I'm a little bit curious. So you have like 31 days left in trial. All right. Now, you might want to sign up for an orientation call if you wanted to maximize your productivity, but we're not going to do that because that would take time. All right, so this is going to be your workspace here in the Andy Guide channel. This is a new one. Now, you see, when you go here at the team, you have multiple projects and workspace that you are currently working on. All right, you can manage your team from this workspace, okay? Adjust your plan and manage users from the admin console. If you click on the manage team, you would be forwarded here in this specific page. Wherein on the building section, you can add more members. Okay, so these are going to be the members already. And if you want it, just invite members. All right, if you have, let's say you're working with multiple teams, because workspaces are ideal for collaborating with team members, you can assign tasks here from these collaborators, or if you're working with multiple clients and freelancers, and have discussions within the context of specific projects. So I'm going back in the workspace. Now in this, you can create a new project within the workspace. All right, we're going to click on new project. You can start from scratch. You can use a template and import a spreadsheet. But in my case, we're going to use a template. Make sure that the template is free, because some of them are like paid. You have a filter here. Templates all, templates managed, starred. Right, you can put in all teams and Andy's guides. You can find inspiration, but I'm going to click on the add teams. I'm going to choose the work requests right here. So you can use the template on your workspace. All right, because Asana tries to prioritize tasks, helping team members focus on what's more important and meet deadlines effectively. If you want to use this template for your workspace, click this button. All right, so the project name is going to be like, and the privacy is, for example, you are just testing this new workspace that you are currently creating. because you want to experiment with data, you want to test some analysis. You can put the private to members. Only invited member can find and access this project within your workspace. All right. Or maybe everyone in your workspace can find and access this project. Let's click on that, click on project, and that's going to be part of your workspace. All right. So you have this multiple options here inside the workspace. The idea is workspace allows you to set up milestones and project timelines, helping you monitor progress against goals and deadlines. Asana provides reporting features that help you track the status of completion rates, and again, of course, the overall project health, right? So most of the time, if I have new clients on board or new members, I create new workspaces in Asana, right? So in the drop down menu, you can set color and icon. Maybe I'm going to be using the blue one. You can also set the custom icon, and if you wanted to upload an image, we'll do that right now. Just wait for it to load. And once it's saved, and then you would be able to choose from the custom icon. Is it going to be dark, light? Going to use the dark. Okay. Click apply to everyone, and that's that. So you have like a organized project within your workspace that you can standardize projects to fit your team's specific needs. All right. So you can have this task. You can add task here. For example, I'm going to be writing, maybe I'm going to write about how to create a workspace here. Maybe I'm going to do that and underline everything here. I'm going to attach a file so that for example, if we're working with multiple collaborators, they would have an option to see the data. You see, there's going to be an option here where you can add files and of course image. We'll do that. You have an option to, while that loading, you can add and comment here. It's going to be a real-time feedback from your team. You can add a file here. You can choose from your computer, Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, and OneDrive. Once it's loaded, just wait for it to load. Now you see, creating workspace in Asana can greatly improve how teams manage projects, communicate, and achieve their goals efficiently. It provides a structured, transparent environment that fosters collaboration, accountability, and productivity. Because as your team grows or projects become more complex, a workspace in Asana can scale to accommodate new members, additional projects, and evolving workflows without losing clarity or organizations. You need to regularly update workspaces so that everyone is on the same page regarding what has been completed and what still needs to be done. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.